This recording demonstrates how to use remote control to control the robot, and how to use the remote to teach the robot some new servo moves. Okay, first is basic control. I'm using the channel up, channel down, left and right to drive the robot. Something like this. Okay. Oops, it almost failed. Okay, as you can see, the move is accelerated to a top speed, and if I press the stop button, the move is decelerated to a stop. In order to teach the robot some new moves, I have some pre-recorded moves like this. Okay, so in order to teach the robot some new move, we have to go into teach mode, then select a new move, then select a servo to move, servo number 2, let's say. Then we use the up and down buttons to change the position. We store the position. Okay, in order to let the servo to reach this position, we have to add a step delay. So we select step delay. Okay, we store the step delay. Then we select a new servo. We change the position. Okay, we store the position. Then we add another step delay. Store the step delay. Select a new servo. Let's say arm again. Okay, go back to the position. Okay, store this position. Then select another servo, servo 2, and go to the position we want. Store the position, add another step delay. Okay, store the step delay. So we finished the move. Now we have to record the move. Finish recording the move. Okay, now let's select the move to play. Move select 4 and play the move. Okay, so this concludes our demonstration. Thank you.